What's up guys, playing Mobile Bed Wars on CubeCraft. I'm not that great at this game, so if you have some servers like that I can join on to practice, um, can you comment that in the comment section please? Like and subscribe if you can. Not forcing you. Okay. I need to rush this game. I wanna like video like for 30 minutes or 10 like that. Cause my last videos was so old. And I've been just posting shorts like I don't know what happened to me. I need to lock in. I need to lock in. I need to lock in. Yes, I locked in, brother. You guys ain't have the guts to kill me. Oh no, this lag. Yeah, our Wi-Fi is kinda bad. And we just found out that 64 people was connected to our Wi-Fi. That's might be the reason to why we have excessive lag. Like the hell. My throat, my throat hurts like crazy, bro. I need to rush this. Una. No, what the fuck? No. See how poor my skills are? Yeah, I need to practice. So if you have any practice servers for Bed Wars there, please put it in the comment section. I really need to practice bridging, PvP, combos, anything. I really need it in Bed Wars. So comment down below anything, any servers, any SMP you want me to join on. I need to rush this. Oh no. Oh, Serena. Here we go. Yeah, my parents are here with me in the Philippines. I'm full Filipino though. But I need to speak in English because you know a lot of you guys are not from Philippines. Almost all of you guys maybe watching this are from America. You won't know. Hell no. See that? Do you see how bad my skills are and how laggy this game is? I ain't even gonna blame this game anymore. I think it's just my skill. Yeah, I think it's really just my skill. And if you wanna add me, just add this user right here. Add it. Need to rush this game, bro. I want to hit some basic combos. Yeah, like that. Want to hit some combos like that. Oh no. Escape, escape, escape. Escape, escape, escape. A pet. Oh, yes. No one followed me all the way here. Good, 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 good. Go for armor, this. Let me just go straight for the beds. I have a great chance of winning if I do that. Yeah. A great chance. Okay. Yes, sir. I finally did it. Yes, sir. Oh no, escape, escape, fast, fast, fast. No, 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 no. No, 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 no! No, freak, no! This is really bad, bro. I'm low on health, low on everything, and my bed, bro, it just got destroyed. Oh, nah. I really need to practice. Oh, hell no. Here he comes, here he comes. Here he comes. Get cooking, bro. Oh, okay. Okay. Hey, so far we got 7 minutes up. I need to do this, bro. I need to do this. Hey, yo. He's really dramatic, bro. Hell no. I hope his bed is just made up of wool or something, bro. I can't fight. I can't fight with people that's overpowered, over OP. Oh, these yellows? I didn't notice that, bro. Bruh. How didn't I notice that? Oh, I need to use my lives wisely. Yeah, I need to really do this, bro. I'm cooking right now, like, what the hell? I think these people are bad at this game too. Like, I've destroyed their bed so far. Hell nah, bruh. Hell nah, bruh. Bruh. Hell nah, bruh. Oh. Oh nah. Oh hell nah. Oh hell nah, bruh. Oh hell nah. Yes, 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 yes. I'm gonna finish this game, bro. I'm gonna finish this. Sorry, bro. Sorry, bro. Sorry, bro. I need to spend this, bro. Yes! I recover! Yes! So this is the end of our journey today, guys. See you again tomorrow. Bye. Oh, I'm gonna finish this game. Oh, sorry. Never mind. I'm gonna finish this game. I hope I don't disappoint you guys. Sorry. I'm really sorry about that. I just really want to do this. Game on, bro. Game on, bro. Game on. Bro, game on, bro. Game on. Calm down here, bro. Bro. Bro, what the fuck? This guy's just joking me, bro. Just joking with me, bro.
Kasi sabi sa Militan, Northwest, yung Northwest kasi sa atin, Pampanga talaga. Sabi, Sambales, Pampanga, Bataan. Bulacan, yan, Northwest yan.
Yo. Hey, yo. I'm cooking again, bro. I'm cooking again, bro. Yes, sir. I'm gonna go for some I'm gonna go for a specific bed right there. See that bed right there? Oh, it's only red. Maybe that's yellow. Oh yeah, I'm gonna go for purple or red. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, my voice is getting really weak right now. Oh yes, sir. Um, you forgot to buy armor. Hell, nah, I ain't reading a base without armor, bro. That ain't gonna happen, bro. I ain't raiding a base, bro, without armor, bro. That sounds dumb, bro. Just like this guy. Oh nah. Oh hell nah, bro. Hell nah. Oh hell nah, bro. This guy's cooking, bro. Hell nah. Oh hell nah, I'm done, bro. So that's the official end of our journey now. Bye.